Hi children, how are you? Have you completed last class homework? So look your answers. So I'm giving answers. Circle has dash chords. How many? Infinite. Circle has dash center. One center. Circle has infinite arcs. Circle has infinite sectors. Okay, children, you understood your homework? You written correctly 4? Yes, very good. Now, today I am explaining for you now relation between radius and diameter. So, children, you know radius na? Yes, look here. Is it radius or not? From center to any point on the circle. So, from center to here I took. This is radius. So, in one more way I am drawing from here to here. Okay? OA is radius. Now look here. Here OB. This OB also radius or not? Yes. Why? Because from center to any point. So OA also radius. OB also radius. Children, once you observe, so which one is passing through the center? Yes, which one is passing through the center? Diameter. Look here. Here AB. AB is passing through the center O or not? So AB is called, yes, AB is called diameter. Now look here children, from this here diameter, this full line is called diameter and it is equal to radius and how many radius you join means you will get diameter. Look here, if you join OA and OB, these two you join means you will get diameter. Yes, so join OA and OB is nothing but diameter. So how many radius you join here? 2 radius. So diameter is equal to 2 radius. So we can call it as diameter is equal to radius plus radius. So diameter is equal to radius plus radius. How many radius are there here? 2. So 2 into radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Or we can take the first letter and we can write it as 2 into r. So in the shortcut, diameter means d. 2 into radius means r. So diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Or you can say 2 means twice also. So diameter is equal to twice of the radius. Or we can say 2 means double also. So double of the radius. So diameter is equal to twice of the radius, double of the radius. So this is the relationship between diameter and radius. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So from this we can find radius also or not? Yes. So if you want radius, here this full is diameter. So if you take half of the diameter, what it should be? Look here, this is diameter. So is it half or not? So if you do half, what you will get? Radius. Yes. So from this diameter, if you do half, then you will get radius. So radius is equal to half of the diameter. So diameter is half. Yes. So now radius is equal to half of the diameter. Half is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 of the diameter or diameter by 2. Radius equal to diameter by 2. Understood this one? So this is the relationship between radius and diameter. Radius equal to half of the diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Planning some sums. Look here, the first sum is if radius equal to 2 centimeters, then find diameter. So already you know the formula, no? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So first write the formula, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Now write the same 2 here. So write into also same. Radius how much they given? 2 centimeters. So write here 2 centimeter. Okay. Now you know 2 2's how much? 4, and write these are the units. Centimeters you write down 4 centimeters. So diameter equal to 4 centimeters. How much radius they given? 2 centimeters. Then double of the radius or not? 4 centimeters. Okay. So another sum. Second sum, radius equal to 5 meters. Then find the diameter. Again first write the formula. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Now 2 is same, right? Same 2. Next into also. So now radius, how much they given radius? 5 meters. Right here 5 meters. Now 2 5's 10. Finally diameter is equal to 10 meters. Otherwise you can do here. Radius how much they given in this sum? 5 meters. So write here 5 meters. So radius how much? 5 meters. Here to here 5 meters. And here to here also 5 meters or not? So I am writing here also 5 meters. Now if you join these two, you will get diameter. Then join 5 meters plus 5 meters. How much 5 meters plus 5 meters? 10 meters. Yes? So look here. You got 10 meters or not diameter? Yes, you can do in two ways. In the diagram or like this formula model also. Okay children? Any method you can follow. For example, I am giving if radius equal to 3 centimeters. How much radius? 3. For example, I am giving here radius is 3 centimeters. Then this is also 3 centimeters. Then diameter how much? Yes, 3 plus 3, 6 centimeters. Very good. A diagram model also you can do very easily. Okay. So now another model is, so now they given diameter, you have to find out radius. Look here, if diameter is equal to 4 meters, then find the radius. So for that you have diameter formula, no? What is the diameter formula? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. But what they ask you to find out here? Radius. So which formula you should apply? Radius formula. So radius equal to half of the diameter. Half. Yes? Or diameter by 2. So here diameter how much they given? 4 meters. Half means how much? Yes, very good. 2 meters. Directly you can say. But if you want process means you have to apply the formula. Radius equal to diameter by 2. So diameter how much? 4 meters. 4 meters by 2. Now 2 table 4 how many times? 2 times. So radius equal to 2 meters. Units compulsory. This meters you have to write here also. Radius equal 2 meters. You can do directly half of this 4 meters also. Okay. Another sum. So look here, if diameter equal to 12 centimeters, then find the radius. So look here, diameter is 12 centimeters. Then radius how much? Half of the diameter. Diameter 12. Half means in 12 half how much? Yes, 12 half is 6. So directly you can write radius equal to 6 centimeters. Or you can apply like this formula, diameter by 2 means 12 centimeters by 2 means 6. So like that also you can do. Okay. So radius equal to 6 centimeters. You understood this radius diameter relationship. Okay. Now I am giving your homework. First sum is find the radius whose diameter is 8 meters. Okay. Find the radius whose diameter is 8 meters. Second sum, if radius is 6 centimeters, then find the diameter. Again I am saying, if radius is 6 centimeters, then find the diameter. Okay children? Thank you.